The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Divisions proudly presents The Sounds of the Game, where all Boilermaker fans can relive the exciting sounds of the game.
Purdue with the ball. Anthony Johnson, a three ball. Good! Man, I'm telling you, that was a dart. Straight up. Anthony Johnson, a triple. Travis Carroll with it. Now to Hummel. Hummel with a basket, top of the circle, shoots a three ball. Bullseye! Right, Hummel! Purdue by 4:29 to go. Jackson to Hummel, open for three, fires. Bullseye! Hummel! Hits a triple. They're staying all over Hummel. Jackson dribbles right. Now to the left, beats his man, gives it to Hummel, shoots a three ball. Good! Ravi Hummel! Now he whips a pass to Johnson, and Tyrone Johnson scores! And he was fouled! Tyrone Johnson scores! And he was fouled!
The Indiana Criminal Justice Institute's Traffic Safety Division is a proud partner of the Purdue Boilermakers and want to put the brakes on distracted driving.